Hello guys, today we will learn how to make PV test of SATC equipment in general and Furuno SATC equipment in particular. It is called PV test, that is performance verification test. In this test, actually you are testing the performance of your SATC equipment, whether your SATC equipment is functioning properly or not. In PV test, it is testing the internal test, that is self-test of SATC equipment, and also the external test, means your SATC equipment is receiving information from the coast stations, from LES, from weather stations or not. PV test is also testing the distress mechanism of your equipment. You must have seen there is one distress button in your SATC equipment. You are supposed to press this distress button when you are in distress in order to alert coast stations that you are in distress at this and this position and you need assistance. So your distress mechanism in SATC equipment is functioning properly or not is also being tested by performance verification test. So this test is a part of your monthly GMDSS testing of equipment, and this is a very important test. You must make a PV test at least once in a month. So guys, let's get started. You can see in your SATC keyboard there are many options given: file, edit, transmit, EGC, reports, logs, options, setup, position, stop alarm. The same options you can see in your SATC screen: file, edit, transmit, EGC, reports, logs, options, setup, position, stop alarm. So you press options, you'll get a window in which you'll get 7 options: login, output. You can select up and down by keyboard. You select number 7, that is test, and press enter. A window will be prompted, PV test. You scroll down and select number 1, that is PV test, and press enter. You will be prompted start, yes and no. Select yes and press enter. Now you can see the window will be prompted PV test, starting PV test process. Press any key to escape. So now your PV test is in progress, and you can see the status of your PV test in bottom left corner. Current status: PV test call is pending, idle pending. So for this PV test to complete, it takes around 4 to 5 minutes. So be patient, and once it is completed, it will give you a test report from the printer connected to your SATC equipment. Now you can see your status is changed, test receiving message. You can see in your screen PV test is pending by LES because of request in queue. Press escape key to continue, and automatic test mode, normal communication disabled. Do not press any distress button unless you are in distress. See, when your PV test is in progress, the normal communication is disabled. You cannot perform anything except when you are in distress, you can press the distress button. So let the PV test complete, and after that we can see the test report. Now you can see your current status: testing, test sending message. Before test receiving message, now is test sending message. So actually it is testing whether you can send any message or not. Test sending message. Now you can see the successful sending message means your system is functioning properly. It can send messages, and you can see in your current status testing test distress alert. It means it is testing whether your SATC equipment distress mechanism is functioning properly or not. Now you can see distress acknowledgement received. It means it can receive distress acknowledgement. Now you can see your current status testing, waiting for test result. Now you can see current status testing clearing. It means your PV test is going to complete very soon. Now you see PV test is completed. Current status showing idle and PV test is completed. So in this way you can do your PV test, that is performance verification test, and when your PV test is completed you will get a test report of this through the printer connected to your SATC equipment. Now you can see PV test is completed. Press escape key to continue. After your PV test is completed, you can return back to main screen by pressing escape button 2-3 times. Okay, now let's see what is printed by the printer. Here it comes, our PV test result. This you can file in your GMDSS record file and make an entry in your GMDSS logbook of this PV test. So here we completed learning of performance verification test of Furuno SATC equipment. See you guys next time. Bye bye.